Hey dudes, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Off-Road Legends 2, just like I said on this, just like I said on my very first video. I just got this game from the App Store. I haven't even played it once. Well, a long time now. Ooh, this brings back so much memories. Oh, this looks so cool now. I like it. Whee! 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 Oh my god. I should have gone too hard. Ooh. My trick is at 99%. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Bro.
What? Boy, you don't.
Ah! Oh my god. Alright, so let's just be taking turns. Whatever. Game.
Man.
Check him out. Okay.
I'll comment down below so you can go sub to me.
Description.
Yeah, I don't know how to put a description, so yeah.
Oh,
You don't even know how to put one too.
yes I do.
Oh, then put it down below.
Alright, already left your name down in description a whole lot of times. You did? Oh, it's because I went too slow.
Woo!
Alright, now me. Alright, guys. Alright, designed for blah blah blah. Oh yeah. Oh. You saw that? Look, just look at that sign. It says this. Designed for this truck. Right. Don't know if you guys saw. I just paused it behind the truck when I first started. I'm really bad at this game, so. Oh my god. I have a loose tire now. This is bad. Let me just do a wheelie. Never mind. Resist tire. Oh my god. No. I'm so bad at this. I don't even know if I was this bad in my first video. Even though my first video was backwards. I don't know why it was backwards. Alright, I haven't done. Whee! Alright, so. Alright, I can do it. No, I can't. I can't. I'll just restart level. Oh my god. Why does this have to be so hard? I don't even think it's that hard. Alright, I'll just go slow and steady. Oh my god. I did not go slow and steady, did I? Whee! See, slow and steady. Ah! Okay. Wait, which button do I press? Oh my god. Seriously. Oh, I was thinking about naming this. I'm so bad at this game, but I already used. Oh my god, what a save. Please make it. Alright. Why? Whee! Oh my. Oh. Why did I do this? Why did I get this game? Oh yeah, I forgot. Because I said in my first video. That's what I said. I said in my first video that I was going to download Off-Road Legends 2, I think. I did. I just saw my video. It was backwards. I think I already said that. Oh my god. My truck is at 77. No! I was about to make it. I can make it. Please. I'm dead meat. Alright, let's try it one more time. If I can't make it, then I'm such a loser at this game. I'm a loser. Let's just say that. Whee! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Gee! Got this. I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, okay. Wheelie. Alright. Oh. No! Oh. Yes! We did it! We did it! We did it, guys! We did it! This is sad. Oh my god, we got a new monster truck, guys! Anyways, that is going to wrap it up for today. I hope... Oh, he's gonna go. Game Boy. That things I can't even leave something down in the description. Check the description. I know there's going to be something. Alright, you're going to lose now.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now, hope you enjoyed this video because I had so much fun making it. Bye.